By the time you are done watching this video, you know exactly what to do to your hair when you're experiencing excessive breakage. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia. Today we'll be using cloves to reduce hair breakage, reduce hair fall, strengthen the hair, and also promote hair growth. The only ingredients we'll be needing here is cloves. I'm using the normal organic cloves that is sold on the market. Cloves is very powerful. It's a very nutritious medicinal property or a medicinal herb. In this video, we are using it as a hair growth spray. So you pour in your hot water depending on the concentration that you want. I don't want it very concentrated, so I'm using medium quantity of hot water. And then you allow it to infuse for about 15 to 20 minutes, or you can just decide to boil it on fire. When you are done infusing this is very easy. You can just use 15 minutes to do this. You don't need to complicate yourself by doing anything complicated, because if you look at the time involved to do this, you may think that it's going to be stressful, but it's one of the easiest hair growth sprays you can make, but very potent for your hair. So after it is well infused, you strain it into your spray bottle or applicator bottle or any bottle that will serve as a barrier to your hair. Do well to strain it, and you can still use the cloves that is left as a deep conditioner, but that is not what we'll be doing in this video. In this video, we need only the clove water. Clove really improves scalp health. Like, you really should believe in herbs, because herbs are very powerful and very potent. Cloves contribute to healthier scalp. It creates favorable environment for your hair to grow. It also enhances blood circulation. Cloves have properties that can help stimulate blood flow on the scalp, which also promotes hair follicle activity and encourage hair growth. In simple terms, using cloves on your hair consistently will go a long way in growing your hair. You can make a clove oil. I'll link the video in this video, and or clove spray, and then use them together. Yes, you can use them together, and they are going to be very beneficial for your hair growth. Guys, use herbs on your hair. I really cannot stress on this enough, the importance of using herbs on your hair. I've seen a lot of people review and tell me that this was how my edges, or this was how my scalp was, and now my hair is so much better, and then my hair is grown now, my hair is thick now, and all that. So I know I can testify to the fact that herbs are very powerful, and they are very potent. In this video, I'm just using it to moisturize my hair, the clove water and clove oil, to just moisturize my hair so that my hair will not dry out. You can use clove water every day depending on how porous your hair is. I have a very high porous hair, meaning my hair dries off very quickly. So I have to moisturize my hair as often as possible. Even if I can do it daily, it's going to help me a lot. So sometimes I moisturize my hair daily, other times I do it 3 times in a week. So guys, I hope you'll be trying cloves on your hair after seeing this video, because you cannot tell me the way my hair was before and how my hair is now. I can only say thank you to using herbs consistently. On my scalp. And you don't even have to follow a particular routine in order to see results. It is going to work. You can do this and follow up with a butter in order to let it moisturize for a longer period of time. Yes, or just follow up with your light oil if you have oil available. As I said earlier, you can use your clove oil and clove spray in this. So I'm using my clove oil and then clove spray, and can you see how bouncy my hair is? Like, my hair is so bouncy, so healthy, that sometimes I really cannot help touching my hair. It's really feels so good. So let me know what you think about this video. Some people ask that how long should they use cloves. If you want to try something, give yourself at least 3 months. Yes, use it consistently for at least 3 months, and then you can be the one to make a verdict whether it helped you or it didn't help you. Use it for at least 3 months in order to make a final verdict. So yes, I love cloves. I love herbs in general. If you are someone who wants to grow your hair, please click on this page, because I have so many videos coming your way I also have a lot of videos on the channel already on how you can use herbs to grow your hair. And herbs are really very affordable. They are not very expensive. You can get them online. You can also get them in your local market. When you are done moisturizing your hair, you can just decide to wear a bonnet in order to sustain the moisture for a while, or just twist your hair so that it looks more nicer, or it looks nicer. You can still wear it out and all that. Do not forget your edges, because this potent treatment mustn't be left without the edges. I always try to focus on my edges because my edges has always been my problem area. Even though it is better than it used to be, it has always been my problem area. Let me know what you think. What are some of the herbs that you recommend I work on, and then give you a verdict? As I said earlier, you can add a butter or a cream or hair grease of your choice in order to let it get more moisturized for a long period. I'll be ending here for today. My name is Lydia once again. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, if this is the first time you are stopping by this channel, or if you've stopped by this channel before and you haven't yet decided to subscribe, please do well to subscribe, because there are so many goodies coming your way that is related to natural hair and then hair growth. Till next time, please take care of yourself, and then don't forget to watch other recommended videos. Bye.